Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. First open your Adobe Acrobat Pro DC software and click this tools option. Here you will find this create PDF option. Click here create PDF and select here blank page and open blank page, and I will open another blank page. This is, and finally click this tools option. Here you will find edit PDF option, and here you will find the add text option. Click here add text and type your text, or you can paste your text and move your text and select. I will increase text font size 18, 20. This is also, you can change this text, move text area, text color, select here and change the text color. Also you can align. This is also, you can add image for your file, watermark, and click edit option, edit your text, and this is, and finally click file option, save as your PDF file. Desktop, type this. Now click close and open your PDF file. This is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.